Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're struggling with Mint connection issues, like your app not syncing or failing to connect to your bank accounts, you're in the right place. Mint is a fantastic tool for budgeting and tracking finances, but these glitches can be super frustrating. Don't worry. I'm going to walk you through some simple, step-by-step fixes that can get you back on track in no time. First off, start with the basics. Check your internet connection. A weak Wi-Fi signal or spotty data might be the culprit. Restart your router, switch to mobile data, or run a speed test to ensure everything's stable. Once that's sorted, open the Mint app and see if it connects. Next, make sure your Mint app is up to date. Outdated versions often have bugs that cause connection problems. Head to your device's app store, search for Mint, and install any available updates. This quick step can resolve a lot of issues. If that doesn't work, try clearing the app's cache. For Android users, go to Settings, Apps, Mint, Storage, Clear Cache. iOS users can offload the app by deleting and reinstalling it, which refreshes the data without losing your accounts. This often fixes temporary glitches. Another effective fix is to log out and log back in. Sometimes, sessions expire or get corrupted. Open the app, go to Settings, log out, and then sign in again with your credentials. It's a simple reset that works wonders. Don't overlook potential issues on your bank's side. Mint pulls data from your financial institutions, so check your bank's app or website for any outages or maintenance. If they're having problems, you'll need to wait it out or contact them directly. If none of these steps help, reach out to Mint's support team. They have a help center with FAQs and live chat options. Provide them with details like error messages for personalized assistance. There you have it. Easy fixes to get your Mint app connecting smoothly again. Remember, staying on top of these can save you time and hassle. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.